One.
Yes. And it should give you a code, and then you need to give that code to Chris.
Okay, Chris, it's 662. E is in Edward. Y is in Yankee. 7.
So whenever I put in the code, it says session ended. We ended the connection because the minimum security requirements on the helper side were not met.
Y'all both close Quick Assist and restart it. Try again. Sometimes it throws a little bit of a fit. And then Lexi's saying that this will be for every time that a breaker needs custom logic, is Louis will have to log in and do it, and that's why he was saying to set up time every week to program the breakers that'll be needed for the week.
Yeah, I knew we were going to have to do them, like set up a time to do a bunch at once.
Because Louis will be doing all the custom logic.
Yeah, I just wanted to do a couple of them today just to work out any sort of kinks that we have in the process.
Right. Like, I just got left out of the loop, so I wasn't sure what was happening with the custom logic.
Just waiting on you. Okay. Waiting.
It says it's connecting.
Okay. Yeah, hold on a second. I should get that. Are you able to see my screen? No.
You should be able to see my screen, I think.
Actually, hold on a second. Let me share my screen.
Yeah, and then if you share the teams, I'll be able to see everything.
Yeah, because I had now I get the echo too. Yeah, I know how you guys see.
I fixed it by going into the volume mixer like Chris suggested.
Yeah.
Perfect. So then Louis, if you click or once you're done with that, finish what you're doing.
All right, Bailey, can you say something?
Yeah, if you'll request control. And then Chris, if you'll allow control. Alrighty. So go ahead and minimize all that so we're not seeing all these screens.
Yeah, hold on a second.
Okay. And if you minimize the quick assist, yep. So put your login in, Louis.
Okay.
What's that?
Okay.
Hit the 3 dots by Chris's profile
Yes.
and sign out and forget, yeah, so that it quits doing that. What in the heck is it doing? Okay.
Let me try and see what comes up.
There we go. Go to scan.
First, oh, no.
And it's TMP scan. Now go to marketplace. My orders. Oh, perfect. Oh, there it is. Ha!
Good.
Activate.
You're good, right? Okay.
Yes, hit activate.
Is this all it takes with custom logic is just going in here and activating it?
No, we have to upload it as well. We have to activate it, then turn it on, then load it. Okay, now go to classic view. Programmable status and outputs towards the bottom.
Over here.
Yep. Custom logic. PLC settings. Enable. Apply. And that top right, the arrow pushing up.
This guy?
Yep. Okay, now go to tools.
Same.
Bottom
Bottom
left. Go back, hit the in the top right, in the top left corner.
Top left.
Yep.
This back button.
Yeah, that one. Custom logic. Open project. That 450 transfer pair logic. Yep. Open it. Click on source one, double click source one. And then upload to device.
Next.
Uncheck settings. We already uploaded the settings separately. If you upload the settings right there, it gets screwy. That's why we do them separate. Now hit next.
Oh, I see.
Next. Upload. I don't care that it's pitch and a fit. Yep.
Good.
Okay. And now if you were to go and upload source 2, you would scan that breaker, come back here to the custom logic, and then hit the go back to the left of download from device. You see? Nope,
Okay.
down.
Down
Go
lower.
out of here.
Yep, that
This,
one. Hit that.
this one.
And then you would click source 2 if you want a source 2 breaker. But you're on
And-
source 1. So
Yeah, yeah.
that's how you upload it.
And after that,
And then
source
to
2.
check it, if you go
Mhm.
to back to classic view, if you hit the expand all, right under custom logic, it's the little arrows pointing out at the
On
top, Louis.
top,
Kind of in the middle.
Top of the screen. Yep.
right.
To down to the left, the one that's
This guy.
expand all. Yep.
Oh, this one.
That.
Okay.
And now, Chris, if you'll cycle power to the breaker, you'll have to unplug the EKIP cable and plug it back in. We'll have to rescan. But you have to cycle power to the whole device.
Okay. So unplug the
So
EKIP, turn off the power,
unplug.
put it back on, plug it back in.
Yes, just make sure the touch screen on the breaker goes all the way dark.
Okay,
And there
it
we go.
started back up and plugged
You
in.
see how now there are numbers in the resources and the status?
Yeah.
That means that it took.
Mm-hmm.
So that should be all you need, unless you want to do it again with a source 2.
I think that's all I need today. I need to get with our inventory people here so they can pull out some breakers and then get a time set up to do multiple ones in one go.
You'll just have to make sure that you know what source 1 and what you set up as source 2.
Yeah, I've talked about that because I think they're gonna just have a bunch of breakers that are just not installed and just make sure that they label these are source 1, these are source 2 as they go through and you get them programmed.
Right. And then Louis, when you're done with all that, just make sure you log out every time.
Yeah. And also, Bailey, so for source 2, would this screen would be combining source 1, source 2, whatever? Because if source 2 was, because I've seen it, how it's been used. So one's like kind of the primary, either source 1, they do like a failover,
Yeah, source
source
1
2,
is
primary.
usually the primary.
Okay. But the test source 2, it would be the same way, and then we would see it in the same screen.
Yeah. That
Okay.
just shows you that the logic took, but you do have to cycle power to get that visualization.
Yeah, gotcha.
And that includes unplugging the EKIP because the EKIP cable will power the unit.
Okay.
Oh, I guess it doesn't power it enough for programming.
No, because you have to have all the modules turned on as well.
Okay.
But it will power the HMI, so you can do some basic things like updating the time and stuff, but anything that requires those external modules, you have to have power on the modules as well.
Okay. I was just hoping for a way to make this easier.
Right. Do y'all have any other questions for me?
No, I think that's it.
Louis, if you need any more help, I'm usually available, so.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Bailey. Yeah.
Not a problem. Thanks, guys, for being so patient.
So I will probably be sending you an email sometime later today to try to set up a time to program 4 of them at one time.
Okay. Sounds good.
I appreciate your time and your help with this. Thank you.
No problem, Chris. Just let me know.
Okay, bye.
Take care. Have a good one. Bye.